Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about how to create a static website using an S3 bucket. So I'm directly getting into my S3 bucket, that is the AWS Amazon instance. So on the search box, we are going to type S3 and we directly get into our S3 bucket. So getting into the S3 bucket page here. Okay, so I have already created lots of folders here in the S3 bucket. However, we're going to create a new bucket. So I'm going to click on create a new bucket, and we have an option to update the name for it. Let me open. Okay, so for this bucket, I'm going to name this one as Stone Dash website. That's the name I'm going to give, and it's on the AP South region. We're going to enable ACL so that we have the access, and then we are going to unblock all the public access so that you'll be able to access the content inside our S3 bucket. And we also are trying to add bucket versioning, that we're going to enable it, and at the end we're going to create the bucket. So within Dash website it's already exists, so I'm going to give a name 01. The name can be anything that you would wish to add for S3 bucket. So once the S3 bucket is created, so here it goes. So we have that bucket name listed here, Mithun website 01. And you would see that there is no information added and there is no folders and files. Now we are trying to get to a simple HTML page. Okay, so I've just created a simple HTML page. I'm going to source the source code of this particular page here. Okay, so my name is Mithun and it's the AWS online workshop. I stay in Bangalore. So this is my simple source code, what I've created. I'm going to update those index.html file in my S3 bucket. So I'm going to click on upload and add file. And I'm going to my desktop. Okay, in desktop, I have created a file index.html. Open that. Here it goes, index.html. I'm going to copy this file and I'm going to click on upload. This information has already been uploaded. I'm going to close that index.html. However, our first primary target is to make this, this file as a public site. So if I open this page, index.html, and copy the URL and try to uh, open this page, we will get an access denied. We're gonna create a static website. So for that, we have to set the permissions first. So I'm going to click on properties. Properties, we have a last option, the static web hosting. I'm going to click and edit. So I'm going to click and enable. It will ask you for what is the document that we are trying to know. So it's dot and I'm going to use the same as the error document name, and I'm going to save this information. So first of all, we have set the properties to static page. So we have that option available. So let's copy this one, open it in a new page, and see what we would see here. Again, we are getting the access forbidden. So we have to get back to our page objects, and we want to select index.html, and in action we have to make it as public HCL. and make it public. And let's see if you're able to get the page. So right now you would see that my page is up. My name is Mithun and the information has been updated. So this is how we create an S3 bucket. By using an S3 bucket, we create a static website. Suppose our website name. So you would see that we have something, a very long domain name, that is mithun-website.01.s3.apsouth1 Amazon AWS.com index.html. So this is an example video, and if we have to change this information to your own website, so we have to use Route 53. We have to get back to the Route 53 page. The first option, we have to purchase a domain name, and in Route 53 we have to update the information here. We have, we can register a domain name, created hosted zone. Created hosted zone, we have to update the domain name, and we can link this particular information, and you would be able to use that. So whatever the information coming down to your registered domain name, you can actually reroute to this particular page. So you do that domain name. So I hope you are able to understand today's session. That is, with S3 bucket, we have created a static web hosting page with a simple HTML. So if you have more just like .css file, JavaScript, and other information on your static web page, you can also upload that information to the S3 bucket, and then you can process the same way and be able to access the website page. I hope you are able to understand. If you have any issues or any questions, you can place your questions on this link. I'll be ready to answer, and I hope you can understand some of the points here. And thanks for watching, and you have a great day.